Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. This 7-passenger van leads among competitors in its segment. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features means that you no longer have to sacrifice, such as remote keyless entry, a power liftgate, a roof rack, and power windows. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Stop in and take a test drive.